Good evening, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about supplementary lesson Spices of India Part 2. How do you think the expansion of the spice trade set the stage for a new world? Spices were always an important part of India's trade. Spices were traded with Mesopotamia, China, Sumeria, Egypt, and Arabia, along with perfumes and textile as far back as 7,000 years ago. Much before the Greek and Roman civilizations, Indian epics and in writing dating back to the Roman Empire in the 1st century CE talk about the cloves. Thousands of years ago, the great masters of Ayurveda had listed the use of spices for cooking and in medicines. While these spices are readily available today, there was a time when people risked their lives to get Indian spices. During the Middle Ages, a pound of ginger was worth the price of a sheep. A pound of maize was equal to the price of 3 sheep or half the price of a cow. Pepper was the crown jewel of all spices. What are those spices that the world wanted so badly? Cardamom, cloves, ginger, mace, and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. Using spices in cooking has a long history. It may go back as far as 52,000 years ago. Though we cannot know for sure how men came to use spices, it is quite possible that it was by chance. However, spices have played a vital role in our food now for a long time. In earlier century, spices were not easily available and were very expensive. The spice traders became rich. Pepper and cinnamon no longer cost a fortune. However, while they seem to have lost their glory and value, they will never lose their place in a kitchen, especially an Indian one. Next one, black pepper. Black pepper, also known as black gold, was the most prized spice traded from the Kerala coast. Indians have been using black pepper for a very long time. Farmers began growing it in around 5000 years ago and exported it to North and West Asia. The trade soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europe, and China, and also became popular in the Islamic Empire. Recipes from rich Roman households show the value of the spice in ancient Roman. The Romans sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. Next one, cinnamon. Indians have been using cinnamon for a long time. The Chinese wrote about it in 2700 BCE. Cinnamon not only adds a great flavor to food, it also helps to preserve it. People from other parts of the world appreciated the fragrance and taste of cinnamon. They wanted it too and were willing to pay a good price for it. The Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians brought cinnamon from India. In the Middle Ages, the Venetians grew rich by taxing the cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. History of the spices. 3000 BCE to 200 BCE. Arabs traded spices and herbs among early civilization. 200 BCE to 1200 CE. The Romans controlled the trade. 1200 to 1500 CE. European explorer Passages to the East Indies. 1400 to 1600 CE. Wars for control of the spice trade break out. 1500 to 1700 CE. English exploration begins. 1600 to 1900 CE. Americans enter the spice trade. Today, we export pepper, cardamom, ginger, chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Do you know some interesting facts about sugarcane? One of the earliest plants that Indians grew was sugarcane. It is valuable both for providing energy and for its great taste. Okay, children, book back exercise. Choose the best option. First one, people say curry comes from a Tamil word curry, which means option A, soup, option B, sauce, option C, sambar. Correct answer, option B, sauce. Second question, pepper is also known as dash. Option A, liquid gold, option B, black gold, option C, white gold. Correct answer, option B, black gold. Third question, dash wrote about cinnamon in 2700 BC. Option A, Chinese, option B, Indians, option C, Japanese. Correct answer, option A, Chinese. Fourth question, the Greeks, Romans and Egyptians all brought cinnamon from dash. Option A, Japan, option B, South America, option C, India. Correct answer, option C, India. Next, exercise C. Compare the travel maps of Vasco da Gama and Columbus. First map, Vasco da Gama's journey, 1497 to 1499. Portugal, Calicut, black pepper. Next map, Christopher Columbus journey, 1492 to 1504. Portugal, South America, Chile. Next exercise, fill in the table with the prompts, frame sentences with the help of the table. Sailor, Vasco da Gama, Columbus. Sailor, year of the travel, Vasco da Gama, 1497 to 1499. Columbus, 1492 to 1504. Started from Vasco da Gama, Portugal, Columbus, Portugal. Reached Vasco da Gama, Calicut, Columbus, South America. Explored Vasco da Gama, Melinda, Mombasa, Columbus, Bahamas, Cuba, La Isabela. Taken away Vasco da Gama, black pepper, Columbus, Chile. Next, look at the picture and read the given information. Planting, watering, manuring, ripening, harvesting, drying. Exercise D. Look at the table carefully, then complete the points below. First question, the paddy plants are given manure after answer 35 days watering. Second question, the plants take 35 to 90 days in ripening phase. Third question, it takes 10 days to dash the rice. Answer, harvest. Fourth question, the rice grains have to be dashed and then stored. Answer, dried. Fifth one, we dash the grains for dash days before boiling. Correct answer, store 120 days. Next exercise, steps to success. Number 1, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain ways and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Option A, garlic. Option B, sesame. Option C, mustard. Option D, olive. Option E, corn. Correct answer, all others are grown above the ground while garlic grows under the ground. Number 2, in a certain code language, if KBOVBSZ is the code word for January, what is the code word for October? Correct answer, option B. Next letter in the alphabetical order, January, similarly October. So in the option KBOVBSZ, this is the question type. Correct answer, PDUPCFS. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given book back exercise in your textbooks or rough note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Best wishes. Thank you.